And then Briyet's gonna get started. There we go.
Hi guys, today we're gonna learn about a pH indicator.
Yeah,
I came to say hi. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you today?
Hi, Chris.
Fabulous. How are you?
What's up? Yeah, let's get back to class. I always disrupt class. I just think it's fun. Okay. Okay.
Hi, Chris.
It's you're squeezing lemons. It smells really good though.
Hi, Chris.
Oh, interesting. Now I'm gonna have to stay and watch the science project, but I'll let Briyet have her class back. It was good to see everybody.
Hi.
Pay attention.
Now I'm ready. Okay, guys, we're going to be learning about a pH indicator. So a pH indicator is a compound that changes colors in solutions over a narrow range of pH values. Only a small amount of indicator compounds needed to produce a visible color change.
Indicator, yeah.
I'm going to use, so I boiled some red cabbage.
Oh.
So now the color, well, if you guys can tell, it's like a dark purple.
Cool.
I have 3 different solutions. I have lemon juice, baking soda, and water. With the red cabbage, I'll change the color of them. So let's see what colors we get. This is the lemon. They changed it into red. Well, actually changed.
Red, yeah.
It
looks like the four-letter color.
Yeah, it changed the color. Due to the fact that the acid of the lemon, it changed the color to like a red or pink, if you guys can tell, because of how acidic the lemon is. So the next one we're going to change is the baking soda, baking powder, actually. Baking soda. So let's see.
Yeah.
Whoa. Let me get a spoon. I'm going to mix it to see. It will turn to a greenish color. Change the color to a greenish color.
Oh.
Okay.
It blew.
Like I turned all the colors. So this was with lemon, and this one is with the baking soda. I'm gonna try with water and see if it changes the color.
Purple.
This made into like a lighter purple.
Yes.
This pH indicator, it indicates the change colors of different pH ranges. So it changes the color depending how acidic or how much acid is part of it. So it normally, because the indicator changes colors over pH ranges, it may sometimes combine and offer color changes over worldwide pH ranges.
Oh.
Yeah, so the pH indicator are used to give a rough value of pH of chemical reaction for precise measurement of pH meters is used. Alternatively, absorbance may be used with the pH indicator to calculate a pH using a beer law. The pH measurement uses a single acid-base indicator are accurate to within 1 pKa value, combining 2 or more indicators to increase of measurements. Indicators are used to show the completion of an acid-base reaction. So with the baking soda, change it into like a greenish color.
What do you do? What do you use?
So I boiled a red cabbage. You boil the red cabbage I boiled it for about 10 minutes.
When
And it
people
turned into like
wash their hair to do the color in their hair, they use soap. They use soap to take the color out of the hair. Just soap.
Huh? What other color? I didn't use color. It was just what other one? So I used lemon, baking soda, and then regular water. Yeah. So this stuff changed the color of the pH of the water.
Okay.
But the lemon is very acidic, so it changed how it was. And you can make this with so how I made it is I boiled red cabbage juice to contain its natural pH indicator that changes colors according to the acidity of the solution. Red cabbage juice indicator are easy to make, exhibit wide range of colors, and can be used by your own pH strips. And you can use different things. Use baking soda, washing soda, lemon juice, vinegar, cream of tar, and it should change the color of the water, whatever you use, to something different.
Ow!
You can even use, oh, coffee filter paper too, I guess. So it says red cabbage contains a pigment molecule called flavin. The water solution pigment is also found in apple skins, plum, poppies, cornflower, and grapes. Very acidic solutions will turn anthocyanin into a red color. Neutral solutions result in a purplish color. Basic solution appears greenish yellow. Therefore, you can determine the pH of the solution based on the color that it turns. The pigment is red cabbage. So the cabbage, the color of the juice in response to changing the concentrated pH, the pH. Acid will dilute hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution with a low pH 7. So depending the color, it can determine how the pH changes. So due to the fact that the lemon juice changed red, their pH indicator is 2. The red with the purple, it's kind of like a violet color. It changed, the pH level is 4 due to the fact that it's just normal water. Then the greenish blue, well, right now it's just green. So it changes. It changed it to like a greenish blue. So that means that the pH is a 10. So this demo uses acid and bases to use safety goggles and gloves, particularly when handling strong acids and strong bases. Chemicals used in the demo may be safely to wash down with water. So you can conduct a neutralization experience using the cabbage indicator. First, use an acid solution such as vinegar or lemon. So you don't even have to use the lemon. You can use vinegar and it should turn the same color. And then it says adding baking soda or so the baking soda. So if you add baking soda, the pH is neutral to 7. So with the baking soda, it changes the pH to like a 7.
There's watching too.
So then the lemon, if you add the lemon or vinegar, it changes this reddish color, like reddish pink color. You can make your own pH paper strips using a red cabbage indicator, taking filtered paper or coffee filter, and soak it in a concentrated red cabbage solution. After a few hours, put the paper and allow it to dry. Hang on a clothespin and string. Cut the filter into strips and use them to test the pH of various solutions. To test this example, place a drop of liquid on the testing strip. Don't drip the strip on the liquid because you can get cabbage juice in it. An example basically is using laundry soap. Examples: common acid, lemon juice, and vinegar. So you can use different solutions. It's not just what I use today. But the fact that I had baking soda, the lemon juice, and then the water. But it changed the color due to the fact that the acidity stuff affected the pH indicator. You guys want to see it again?
Yeah.
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 Let's put some baking soda.
The red one looks like the better color. Right, they did.
What color can you put all together?
I don't know what's gonna happen if I mix it all together.
I want to try that one.
And I just pour it in. Add more color to it to change it, but this one turned it into like a greenish blue. You don't, if you add, you can see if I probably added more lemon juice, more baking soda, probably would have changed the color more.
That makes sense. Oh, she's gonna do it. She's adding more.
So it turned into a lighter green. Rather than it being a dark green, it turned lighter. So this was mine earlier. Now it turns to lighter green. Does it look cool, Ali?
Yeah.
It is. It is. Cool.
Yeah.
It looks like the darker color.
Huh? The other color, this is like a reddish pink color. And this is just the lemon juice. But it turns the color because of how acidic the lemon is.
That's right.
And this is just normal water. It turns it a little bit lighter than how dark it was previously.
Anna, can you do the one with all colors?
If you want to put coloring and see if the color changes maybe. But that's how dark the water is compared to this one. It's like kind of a lighter color.
Yeah, but you put all of them together and see what color it turns.
Okay. So this is a regular one. It didn't change the color actually.
Ooh.
So that turned to color.
Ooh.
So when I mixed them all together, it turned like, it like foamed at the top.
Oh.
So it's gonna overflow maybe.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
So change the color. So this is a pH indicator, so you guys can make it. It's very easy. You just boil some red cabbage and then mix stuff with it. This thing stinks. It smells so much like lemon. Here's a baking soda.
Yes.
Well,
I can give you
So yeah, it doesn't. You can add as much as you want, and it'll change the color to a different color. I put a little bit, and this one I put more baking soda and changed it into like a greenish blue color.
Are you supposed to drink or something?
No, I wouldn't drink it. I wouldn't recommend you drinking it. And this is what happens when I mix them all. It fizzed up when I mix them all together. It turned into a dark. Guys, it looks like it's red cabbage, the lemon, and the baking soda.
Yeah.
You guys like that science experiment? It's kind of short, but
Yeah.
I
it
like
was
it.
cool. I didn't expect it to work at all.
I like it too. I like it too.
Does anyone have any questions for Briyet?
You hear your friend?
No.
No.
It's a cool experience. I would tell you guys to try it. This is really cool, actually. I didn't expect it to actually change color, and it did.
Oh yeah, beer.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
I did ask you a question, but
Yeah.
What's your question?
never mind now. The question was, yeah, if you have hair, your hair,
Oh beer.
if your hair is different color, you want to take it out, you have to use gypsum to take
Yeah,
the
yes, it
color
is.
out of
There's
your hair.
different things you can use, different like
Yeah.
different I guess solutions. Like I just use baking soda and stuff. Online there's different ones. Someone used bleach and it turned into like a yellowish color, but I don't want to use bleach. I don't want to risk it with the bleach. But the bleach turns it into like a yellowish color. Any other questions?
What did you do?
So I boiled some red cabbage and it changed the color of different things that I used.
Tuesday.
Yeah. So.
This
Cheers.
is the biggest story that
So the normal color is like a purplish color. But when you put it with like baking soda and stuff, it changes the color of it. Something different. Added more baking soda and it changed the color more. Other than it being like this. It changed it to that one. It changed it, Max.
Thank you,
Actually,
Briyet, for doing
It says
class.
if you add more baking soda, it changes more different colors.
You're